Hi, my name is Pallavi Khandelwal and I'm the founder of an e-commerce brand known as The Boxer Store. I would really love the opportunity to come to the MIT Startup Workshop and be able to interact with some of the brightest minds and startup enthusiasts from across the world. To start with, I would like to give you guys a brief introduction about myself and my startup. I graduated from Nottingham University, UK in Finance and Investments in 2009. And soon after my return to India, I started working on the Boxer Store, launching it in 2010 with a fully integrated e-commerce website. Initially, we started with only selling funky and quirky boxer shorts for men. However, looking at the rapid growth of the innerwear industry over the years, we decided to expand our product range with briefs, boxer briefs, pajamas for both men and women. TVS products are currently selling all across the country through its own website and other marketplaces such as Jabong, Flipkart, Fashionara, Paytm, Amazon and many more. TVS takes fun to another level. The designs are unique and the quality speaks for itself. You'll see a swarm of unconventional designs in our collection. However, unlike the other Indian brands, we not only focus on Indian-inspired designs but also keep the Western trends in mind. The idea is to create a brand that understands the need of the younger generation that lies between the age group of 18 to 35 years of age. While focusing on a creative product, we do not compromise on the quality of the product and are able to produce high-quality underwear with durable and comfortable fabrics. On a daily basis, my work keeps me head down, operations focused. I spend a lot of time managing my team, strategizing marketing campaigns, working on new product designs, improving production processes. The rest of the time, however, I'm working on my business plan and ways to get funding and grow my business further. Apart from TVS, I'm really passionate about supporting women entrepreneurship in our country. To support this, I've been an active member of WeConnect India, through which I've had the opportunity to speak about my journey to other women entrepreneurs. This really helps me to inspire them and help them to think out of the box. Over the years, I've attended many conferences and met some extremely interesting people with other businesses and ideas. Interacting with startups altogether is an enriching experience for entrepreneurs like us. There's so much that we can take back and learn from. It would be an incredible experience to be part of the MIT Startup Workshop, and there'll be so much learning that I can take back from the event. Meeting different people, learning about their experiences, interacting with mentors, solving crucial everyday problems, the list can go on. As a person, I am very passionate and creative and I'm always looking to learn something new. I love what I do and I hope I can inspire others to do the same. Thank you so much for considering my application and I hope to be part of your event. Thank you.